The difference in between a good yacht and the right yacht is maintenance, and this Azimut Evolution 62 is the perfect example. The Azimut 62 Evolution, Italian design, twin cat 618, 33 knot top speed, and over $250,000 invested in a huge refit in 2024. Let's see the cockpit. This is where weekends begin. The cockpit of the Azimut Evolution 62 is relaxed, elegant, and right by the water. The main salon. Like every Azimut design, this boat is still modern, is still elegant. At the same time, you have everything together. The galley, helm station, and a lounge area where you can share with your friends. 3 comfortable cabins, a full beam master, a roomy VIP forward, and a cozy twin deck. Up here, you understand why this model is called Evolution. This is not just a yacht, it's freedom in your own terms. I am Captain Randy Gomez, and if this Azimut feels like your next move, reach out and let's make the dream happen.